freedom.
Are they here for 2 years and how many months now? Now, prison are there. Farm, I beg for Mali.
See country where they celebrate 64-year independence has citizens littered in almost all the prisons of the world, both male and female. And on a day there, they shout happy independence up and down with nothing to show for it. If your sister is living in Mali and it's been long you heard from her, I want you to watch this video very careful to see if you can recognize her face. This is Nigerian women in Mali prison. They are calling for help. Some of them have been here for over 5, 6, 7 to 10 years. And it's as if they just thrown them into this prison with them not having any hope of coming out anytime soon. Now they are calling on the Nigerian government to come and intervene. See country we call themselves Giant of Africa has citizens in Mali prison. Mali. Not America, not Europe. Mali. Probably they have went there for greener pasture. See what badly that they do us.
The Nigerian.
Bamako prison, Bamako women prison, Bola farm, freedom. We need freedom.
Are they here for 2 years and how many months now? Now, prison are there. Bola farm, I beg for Mali, I beg government, I beg. Not gonna help us. We need freedom. I need freedom, I beg, oh God.
5 years. For 1 year now, they sick. No medicine, no treatment. Now 5 years, no judgment, no freedom.
No judgment, no food. I beg our brothers, no help us.
Ndị Igbo biko m ji aha Chineke na-ayụ na ụmụ nwa Ebonyi. Anọgo m ebe a 2 years and ọnwụghị ka o si ede, anaghị akpọ m na court, nothing. I use God beg una, may una help una people. We no fit die here. We say as all of us, we many for here, we many, some day 5 years, some way they just 10 years, then they here. I beg men and help, we need freedom. We need freedom.
Freedom that we need. My brothers and sisters, we need freedom. And me goni help me, mama we all me goni help me goni. 3 years and some months now. We need the help. When because when because. Well, I put in a boom, mama, oh, Jackson, our gaga, mama, what because our government not gonna do to our crime on our airport because the suffering is too much. The suffering is too much. 5 years, no judgment. You want the judge 10 years, and the book 10 years. The suffer too much. Our government, our brothers and sisters on our airport are beg.
I don't think you I don't even know what I don't get person who work for me. My family I beg my sister and my brother, I beg Ebonyi State on cheap base, I beg Mona help me. I don't be here for 4 years now, no help. My mommy nowhere, nobody know we are there. I beg Mona help us. Mona help us. With the many I want to help my sister, I beg Mona help us.
Nigerian people with their beg for help. We don't Mali prison. We are many with more than 60 for here, Nigerian women. We are more than 60 or 100. And the judge, we dey here, some day here 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, no judgment. Hungry. Then those that maltreat us anyhow. Please, we need help. Nigerian people, anyhow you people can help us to help us for this prison, please. It suffer too much for our head.
Please, I beg Nigeria, please, government,